Thank you very much. And it's 7:18 new this morning. If 2026 is the year you want to buy or sell a house, Fox 17 is working to find out how our real estate market is looking right now. The latest interest rate numbers, at least so far in 2026, are pretty encouraging.
So this morning we're talking with a good friend of ours. He is a stranger to television, so be kind to him. Never done this before.
Been a minute.
Local realtor and veteran meteorologist Craig Edwards is here with us right now to talk about exactly what's going on. Craig, those current rates were down a few days ago, below 6 for the first time in a while.
First time.
Where are they now, and how's it looking?
Still going back and forth, and that's what we kind of expect over the next several months, even this year. Experts, experts in this field really are kind of, okay, so nobody really knows exactly what's going to happen with the interest rates. I'm just going to be honest with you. And if you look at all of the projections that you'll find out there, they range from one end to the other. But most of the experts are saying that we're going to be dropping down to the upper 5s by the end of the year. Now, we actually saw that happen last Thursday and Friday. That was when the president came out and said that we're going to buy up, he wants to buy up $200 million worth of bonds. Well, that's just a drop in the bucket, actually. Bond market, that's only 2% of the bond market, so that's minor. But it did cause the rates to drop, at least quickly right there. Over the next several months or so, we should continue to see them in the low 6s. Into the upper 5s, and that's actually not a bad interest rate historically. I remember when I bought my first house, it was like 17%.
Right.
So,
Historical perspective, it matters.
That was a long time ago, Justin. That was,
Yes,
so if somebody's looking to buy this year, if you're thinking, all right, we're saving money, we're ready to buy our first house, what would be one or two things you would tell them, like right out the gate, to just be ready for or to know about?
Well, the first thing is, if you're thinking about doing it, do it. Because truthfully, it really doesn't get any better. The best time to buy a house was yesterday. So they continue to go up in value, and that's been the case year after year after year. And even the National Association of Realtors is telling us that the appreciation levels are up to around 9%, which is amazing. That's a great investment if you're getting a 9% return, meaning that the houses are worth more by the end of the year than they are right now. So those prices are going to continue going up. Some people think they're waiting for prices to go down, and that's just not going to occur here.
Not in the mid-state,
Because we still have such a demand for homes. And it is a supply and demand kind of situation. Builders are trying to catch up, and we're seeing a little bit more on the market right now. The inventory's picking up. It's about 20% higher than it was last year at this time, which is great. That means you have a little more selection out there. But at the same time, the best time to buy is immediately, so that you can get that appreciation as you're going through the year. And if the interest rates drop tremendously, then you can refinance it anyway. So you can go ahead and get the better rates as they show up.
All right, so we'll see what happens from here. Craig, we always like calling on you, sir. Thank you so much.
Buddy.
We appreciate
Thank you.
it.
It's good
All right,
seeing you.
Craig Edwards, we appreciate it.